I'm very impressed with the Rhino Patio Umbrella base weight, and here is why. I ordered this weight to hold down and stabilize a large umbrella. The umbrella base includes a waterproof top base cover that feels durable with edge Velcro seals to cover the base weight. In addition, the base consists of 4 high-quality, heavy-duty triangles that hold gravel or sand for the weight. The assembly is straightforward, and I like the Velcro straps that hold it together. I purchased 5 40-pound sandbags and filled the base. In total, it held 200 pounds of sand perfectly. I Velcro sealed the top cover and the base looked and worked great. Even with high winds, the base held firm and stabilized the umbrella. Overall, I'm incredibly pleased with how well the base weight worked and the quality. It is well worth the investment to hold down a patio umbrella, and therefore I rate this product 5 out of 5 stars.